Hi there, I'm Andre from Peak Motorcycles and I'm here at Motorcycle Live 2025 at the NEC in Birmingham in the UK. I'm here at the AJS stand. Now if you saw some of my coverage from this show a few years ago, I had a walk around the AJS stand and actually it got quite a massive response. I'm not entirely sure it's down to me. At the time they had a prototype for a 250 which I think due to market changes never actually made it. However, this year they are back here at Motorcycle Live and they have a few new bikes. Quite a few interesting bikes. Looking forward to sharing this with you once again. Here we go.
Hi everyone, we're here on the AJS stand. My name is Megan. I deal with all things marketing here and I'm going to give you a quick preview of the bikes we have here at Motorcycle Live. So starting with this model here, this is the AJS Imber. This is brand new and will be available in spring. This is a 125cc. It's going to be retailing at about £2,500 on the road. We think this is going to be a really great, fun little bike for your everyday adventures, as well as some maybe trips to Europe and things like that. So we're really excited to see all the fun that people get up to on this. We're doing a bit of an adventure pack with it as well. So it comes with the rack as standard, and then there's the option to buy the fuel can, the bag, and the top box to go on the back as well. So, and the tent as like a bit of a all-in-one package, so it'd be £3,000 including all of those accessories as well. Sticking with the adventure theme, we have the ADV-S. This is a twist and go fully automatic scooter. Again, 125cc. This comes in the red and the silver. Great option if maybe you want something a bit easier, don't want to have to sort of manage gears and things around the tight twists and turns. This one retails at £2,849, so it'd be about £3,000 on the road. And then we have another new model over here. This is the JFT 125, somewhere between a modern and a classic. So got some sort of classic scrambler styling, nice old logo on the badge there, but a lot more modern features than our sort of heritage range. We've got a nice LCD screen, 6-speed liquid cooled engine in there, so a little bit more powerful than our air-cooled range. That's coming in at 9.5 kilowatts. That's going to be available in about 2 to 3 weeks time, so sort of early December. This here is our Cadwell. I'm sure many of you have seen it before. We've had this in the range for probably about 8 years now. We can't let it go because people still absolutely love it. We've had a lot of people sit on it here at the show and say this is the only bike I can get my feet on the floor on. I think it's important for us to keep this in our reign. It really reflects our heritage and it's just loved by, I think, nearly everyone. So this has still got the Yamaha YBR air-cooled engine in. So again, not as powerful as the water-cooled, but really nice for a runner. And if you want everyone to stop and ask you about it, because it really does grab a lot of attention. So this is the AJS Bilston. We've had this in a range about 1.5 years now. And this is a really, really great first bike. We actually have this in the Learn to Ride zone in Hall 2, so a lot of people have had a go at riding for the first time on one of these and sort of come over and said how much they've enjoyed it. It's got a nice low but also quite a narrow seat. It's quite sculpted as well, so you can see it's quite easy to get your feet down, and it's really well balanced. It's got a nice tight turning circle. It's just, yeah, a really great one if you want just a nice, easy, relaxed ride, or if you're a learner and you're looking at getting your first bike. We do a rack available for this one as well, the top box. This bike actually did a charity ride from Brighton to Scotland in 3 days, raising money for Two Wheels for Life, and then even more recent to that went from Brighton to Milan, I think in 4 days. That's with the Ride 2 guys, so check that out on YouTube as well, because that was a good test for the bike. This is the Sedona. This is a 250V twin. This is available in black and red. This bike's been in our range, I think, just under 1 year now. Really nice low seat height, forward controls for a nice relaxed ride and comfortable riding position. This is a really great bike if you just want, again, really nice, comfortable run around, and again, to be stopped by everyone because people love to stop and chat about it. Looks really smart, great option for those wanting just a little bit more than a 125. Another one that's been in the range for a long time, one that we can't seem to let go of because people just love it so much. This is the Modena. This is a 125cc scooter, a whole range of colours, front and rear rack is standard. Twist and go, so really, really easy, and it's got a massive following. You're never too far away from a modeler owners group. People love to go on like scooter rallies with these. It's just, yeah, so much fun. The Firefox is another model we've had for a while as the 50cc. This is the 125 version. So we're finding that a lot of people who love the Firefox 50 are now finding that they can stick with the same model that they know and love and take it on from 17 and upwards. Again, fully automatic twist and go. Nice bit of storage under the seat, and a rear rack is standard. So a great option for those that wanting to have a nice easy ride to college or uni perhaps. Nice sporty styling, and this comes in the white and red and blue and red. This is the 71 Desert Scrambler. Again, if you followed AJS for a while, you'll know this model. It's part of our heritage range. It comes in 3 colours, black, orange and red. And this model was named after the wonderful success that Mike Jackson, who was the USA sales manager for AJS, his success in the Barstow to Vegas desert race, where he rode the Stormer to 14th place out of about 200 across desert mountain range. And yeah, there's a great video of that, of him recalling his experience online, so do check that out. We've obviously got the dual sport tyres on these and the high level exhaust, give that nice rugged sort of off-road appearance. And we use this for a lot of green laning. A lot of people do take this off-road, and it seems pretty capable for some light green laning, and just, yeah, good load of fun.
So that's it. That is a very quick look around the AJS stand here at Motorcycle Live 2025. Massive thanks for Megan for talking through those bikes. Yeah, it's great to see they've got these new things coming through, particularly this new Imber 125. I know that you've been able to get import Honda CT 125s for a while in the UK, but they do come at a price. I think they're close to £5,000. So having something like that, which is very similar for half the money, which I think a lot of people will just get as a runaround, is great. So yeah, it's been the bike that's had the most interest. I'm actually here early on the last day, so I've avoided the crowds, but honestly, there's been a crowd around this bike all day, every day. So that's it. Hope that's been interesting and useful. If it has been, please check out my other content from Motorcycle Live, and maybe I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.